Well, it hasn't changed that much. We, it's all R&B. Hip hop is R&B, rap is R&B, soul is R&B. R&B kind of evolved to funk with a little, disco in between there somewhere. And from funk, it kind of went to hip hop, which is where we are now. Is why do you hear so much music of the 70s inside music of the 90s? The reason you hear so much of the music of the 70s inside the music of the 90s is because the music of the 70s was so well done.
Darnell Williams.
Darnell, you both, I'm sure, familiar with the Soul Train Scramble Board, right?
The Scramble Board challenged contestants to spell the names of legendary black icons.
There were political figures like Julian Bond and Phyllis Wheatley and Harriet Tubman.
I always thought that was fixed, though, because you could never find one episode where a couple didn't figure it out.
Actually, the board was fixed. Sort of.
It was impossible not to win on the Scramble Board, which is a little-known fact, because we were into projecting positive images of black people, and so we couldn't have them stand there misspelling Stevie Wonder's name.